everybody, Ali Flores here with OrlandoVacation.com. Let's get into our next video. Windsor Hills is a distinctive vacation rental home community dedicated to providing a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable environment for families visiting top attractions, including the Disney World Resorts, Universal Studios Florida, SeaWorld, Gatorland, and more. But before we get into all that Windsor Hills has to offer, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. All right. Let's get to Windsor Hills Resorts. I feel like I should have a fancy accent. The Windsor Hills Resort is a 24-hour secure gated resort community located less than 2 miles from Walt Disney World, making it the closest resort community to the major theme parks. Windsor Hills is the perfect retreat to escape from the frenetic atmosphere of the parks. Easy to get to and only 20 minutes drive from Disney by car or bus, it provides the optimal base for a full-on day at the parks, then some well-earned rest in the comfort of your own home away from home. Windsor Hills offers peace and tranquility and the luxurious accommodation options as an alternative to staying on site at Disney. Alternatively, the resort acts as the ideal golf holiday location, located next door to the excellent Mystic Dunes Golf Club and within easy reach of a wide array of golf courses in the Kissimmee area. There are great amenities too. The kids will love the huge, colorful water park. Try the large 10-person hot tub as the perfect place to relax. There is also a fitness center, have a basketball game, or practice your putts on the putting green. There's a playground and Tot Lot 2. Tot Lot 2. Fun. There are more things for you to do easily. Billiards and arcades are here for all ages to enjoy. They also have DVD. What's a DVD? DVDs? I don't know what that is. I was born in 2000. They have DVD rentals and an ATM for your convenience. You can get basic grocery items at the on-site market. Wow, this place has everything. You can rent homes with 4 to 6 bedrooms with full kitchens, large rooms, and a washer dryer. These are great for large families and for those who want to be close to Disney. Families with small children who need naps will find the quick drive back from the parks very accommodating. You can also rent townhomes and condos. All right, if you want to learn more about Windsor Hills, call 1-800-641-4008 and one of our reservationists will be happy to help you out. As always, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Where's that hot tub? This way.